Hi there! Welcome to another Publitas tutorial video. I'm Agnieszka, a Customer Success Manager at Publitas. Today we discuss Image Hotspot. Image Hotspots can act as an interactive element of your content, a highlight for certain promotions, and further inspiration to your visitors. In Publitas, you can either upload an image from your device or insert it from a URL. Feel free to choose the method that's more convenient for you, as the appearance options to choose from later remain the same, and we will review them in this video. Let's go to the editor. Once in the editor, choose the image hotspot from the menu on the left and draw it over the desired area. Upload the image file from your device or add it from a URL. After the upload, you can choose between three appearance options. The Embed option makes the image part of the page with a seamless design. Additional options include Fit, Fill for better content adjustments. Let's see an embedded image in a publication. This is the final look and feel with an embedded image. Interactive Embed allows visitors to click on an image to view it in more detail. This option is best when your image content is more informational rather than inspirational. Additional options include Fit and Fill and adjustments for a hover and text icon. This is how our image looks after switching to Interactive Embed. I can now click on it and see the content in its own overlay. Let's move to the last option. The hotspot approach allows the content behind the image to stay visible. It's a good option when an image acts as supporting content to what's already on the page, such as additional product information, slice charts, or manuals. Additional options include icon and hover text personalization. Let's review our image, this time added as a hotspot. The image is now only visible once clicked. For all your image content, you can also set alternative text to improve accessibility. Our image hotspot also supports GIF format, so you can easily add interactive content as well. To insert the GIF, follow the same steps as for adding a regular image file. For GIFs, we recommend going with Embed option for the best look and feel. This is the end result in our publication. You now know all the different options for adding an image in Publitas. Remember to always optimize your content before adding it to the platform for the best user experience. Helpful articles from our knowledge base are linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.